Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Rolls Royce Phantom step by step. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental proportions, which are crucial for capturing its majestic presence. Start with light lines to sketch the overall silhouette, focusing on the long, elegant hood and the distinctive, upright grille. Remember, the wheelbase is approximately 2/3 of the car's total length, so accurately placing this will set a strong foundation for your drawing. This initial stage is all about getting the basic shape right before adding intricate details. Next, let's bring out the iconic features that define a Rolls Royce Phantom. Carefully draw the prominent Pantheon grille, ensuring its verticality and grandeur. Then, delicately place the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem atop the grille, a symbol of luxury. Outline the rectangular headlights and the large, elegant wheels, which are often 21 or 22 inches in diameter. Don't forget the signature coach doors, hinged at the rear, and the distinct, stately roofline. Now it's time to refine your drawing, transforming your initial sketches into a polished representation. Smooth out all the preliminary lines, creating clean, flowing contours that reflect the car's sophisticated design. Pay close attention to the subtle curves and sharp creases that define the bodywork, giving it a sense of sculpted elegance. Add smaller, yet crucial, details like the sleek door handles, the precisely shaped side mirrors, and the crisp frames around the windows. Finally, let's add depth and realism through careful shading and finishing touches. Apply shading to give your drawing a three-dimensional quality, making the car appear solid and substantial. Use varying pressure with your pencil to create realistic highlights and shadows across the bodywork, mimicking how light interacts with its surfaces. Don't forget to add subtle reflections to the windows and the gleaming chrome accents, bringing your Rolls Royce Phantom to life with exquisite detail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.